Are you currently printing and mailing all of your invoices and statements? With postage costs going up, we can give you an option to automatically send your invoices and statements electronically. What you'll see on my screen is an email notification with each invoice attached as a PDF. Another option is to combine all of the invoices as a single PDF. These invoices are sent the same night that you generate them. Included in the email notification is a link back to a secure web repository where your customers can log in at their convenience to review their invoices, statements, account balance, signed proof of delivery, and even pay their invoice. All of the usernames and passwords are managed on the site by a site administrator. Your customers can register themselves for electronic invoicing through the Register Now function, which will automatically stop the paper invoices from being mailed. If they already have a username and password, they can log on to the site and have access to whatever documents you choose to put on the secure web repository. For this demo, we have invoices, part shipping lists, and statements. The search criteria here is customizable for your business. Right now, I'm going to search by customer number. I'm logged in as a customer, and I only have access to my invoices based on the customer number. I have 2 invoices that are currently open with a balance of $422.84. I can also click here on Statement Cabinet and see all my statements. This is the same statement that is emailed out to the customer. It looks exactly like the printed and mail version. You can see that each invoice number is a hyperlink. So rather than your customers calling into your credit department and asking for copies of invoices, they can click here and pull up that invoice. We even have an option to embed a hyperlink to the signed proof of delivery or any other type of ancillary document. So I can click here in the body of the invoice and pull up the signed packing list. CTABS has options on how to get this signed packing list on the site. You can capture the signature electronically, or you can outsource the scanning of those documents to CTABS, and we'll put them up on the website. Or you can scan them yourself. We will index them and upload them to the website the next day. So let's go ahead and go back to the electronic repository. So the customer's logged in. We have access to invoices, part shipping lists, and statements. I can go to My Invoices and I can select my invoices here. I can select the invoice to view, email, save, export to an XML or Excel format, print or fax without even opening the invoice. But let's say I want to view these invoices. What the system does is actually create a PDF, and I can scroll through the invoices here, one of 2. And once again, here's the hyperlink to the signed delivery ticket. What the site does is it gives your customers the ability to research on their own time without having to call into your customer service department. Many of the customers have added a link to the repository on their homepage. So here's an example of a customer who has added a Go Paperless link, online invoices and statements. Customers can sign up directly from the homepage, sign in, and then they have a fact and invoice guide. Here's another example of a customer who has a Go Paperless free of charge. Once again, customers can log in or register right from their homepage. CTABS customizes the site with your logo, so the customers won't even know they're leaving your server. We'll send your invoices electronically as a PDF attachment, and then also give your customers the ability to log on to the secure web repository so they can do their own research.